So in the latest pack, I've made 5 presets for Serum, and they are actually sample based. So if you didn't know, you can use actually Serum as a sampler. Like if you drag your sample right in here in the noise section, it will play this sample, and you can like use filters and effects with this sample. So I wanted to kind of use this technique to make some sounds for this pack, and let's just hear some of them. This is basically xylophone, xylophone, and so I used a sample. I sampled the real xylophone on tape, then I sampled it back, and you can find the sample from my previous pack. So I drag it here, and you can hear it as first oscillator. So it's just sample. It's quite lo-fi-ish. With modulated pitch, so sounds quite nice. And here I also added another sample to the oscillator B, so it converted another sample of xylophone into wavetable, and it's oscillator 2. So as you can hear, it sounds a bit more synthesized. And the third oscillator is just a bell sound on high frequencies. And you can combine all of them to create your unique xylophone sound. And after that, we have a filter. It's a comp filter, and it's like I added some resonances with envelope, just to get a bit more out of the samples. So yeah, quite nice, plucky xylophone sound. Yeah, so the next one, let's check this one. It's a lead, also bass. It can be used as a lead or a bass sound. So the main principle here is that we have quite usual oscillators here, like a saw wave and some other wave, and they are modulated by noise drone that I made using like a small lo-fi synthesizer. It's actually, the volume is equals 0 here, so you don't actually hear the original sound, but it influences the way other oscillators sound. So it's frequency modulating the other oscillators, and that's how it sounds. Let's play. You know, it's adding a bit of grittiness and FM vibe. Of course, we have filter here. And delay and reverb to add that extra ambient feeling. So yeah, that's it. The next one is the bass.